Ready?
Yeah. I have that truck, Mom. You have that truck too, Mom.
Okay, let me get dressed. I have to go shower.
Yeah, me too.
Take off my hair.
Hey,
No peeking. I'm taking a shower. La 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 la. Okay, and rub myself on the towel. Okay, now I gotta go get dressed. Okay, what should I wear today?
top.
What should I wear today? Oh dear, what is this outfit? Okay.
Don't look at me.
My outfit.
I try.
I am all covered in paint.
How you got that?
You have the outfit too. Go get dressed. Gotta go pick up William. Gotta go pick up William.
Mama, I have
Yep.
2.
Yep. One is a boy and one is a girl. One is long hair, one is short hair.
4. Tima.
It's raining. I should do this car. Hello.
You ran over my gun.
I did ruin your fence. Okay, so we have to go to the weather station because there's some things going down at the weather station.
Yep.
Okay.
We're honking the truck. The good truck right here.
Oh, we need to go in the big truck?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got thing. Yeah. Now I got this truck and drive
Oh, Grandma
home.
bought this truck and now we got to do it?
Yeah.
Hey. Look.
Yeah, we can't.
Bye, ball.
Yeah, come on.
I'm going the wrong way.
Okay, no. We can't do that. Don't like
We
it.
can't? Oh, no.
So, yeah.
What was it, me?
You could do it wrong. So, yeah. We have to do this one. So, yeah.
Excuse me, big car coming through. Ow.
That could change up there, Mom. Yeah, I
Paint job's up there too? Yeah. But we're gonna go past the paint job. Because we did that last time. We're gonna go do the weather machine.
Tia and Kelly.
Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Back up. Gosh dang. I cannot control this car.
Oh. Mom,
What?
I sure car I do it right, Mom. You have to do it right. So, yeah.
I do, otherwise the cops are gonna take away my driver's license.
Yeah, you have to do it right.
And then that would not be good. Oh, wait. I need to go
So,
here.
yeah. You can't do that, Mom.
Yep.
You do it rock time and then throw you in jail.
Yeah, that would be a bad thing. I do not want to go to jail.
You
It's
can't do
boring.
that, okay?
It's boring in jail.
It's going in jail.
Yeah, there's nothing to do. All you can do is sleep and sit on the toilet, and that's it. Okay, and we gotta go this way.
Yeah. Yuki and 2 men in jail.
Nope, excuse me, sorry. I go this way. Excuse me, sorry.
Do that, okay?
Whee.
Do it, Mom. The weather station.
I found the weather station.
Okay.
Oh, look at these tiny little cars.
Yep.
Meow.
Mom, ready?
Okay. What?
Uh-oh.
Stop.
Uh-oh.
Don't move any closer.
Hey?
Yeah. If I just mix in this new formula, it should work.
He done shotgun on the head, Mom. Hey?
What happened to him? Fascinating. Must make a note to use less electricity next time. But that's fascinating. Just Fascinating.
Uh,
Oh, yes. You. Who are you? You want to help our research? Great. We are the WCC, the Wobbly Climate Club, a group of dedicated weather enthusiasts. And you've come at a great time. We're working on a really exciting project right now. Our aim is to create a machine that can control the weather. Ha 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 ha. We're getting really close to a working prototype. If you want to help, head into the room on the left and talk to Colin. He deals with volunteers. Or head upstairs if you want to take part in our ongoing weather balloon study.
okay, Mom. We have to do.
Okay, which one are we doing? I don't think the elevator worked. It says it's out of order. It's not gonna work. Open up!
Okay.
Hi, Colin. Hi, I'm Colin. I'm in charge of data gathering.
We got that.
You want to help out the WCC? Yeah! Then you'll need one of these data hats. They allow us to take atmospheric readings to help our research. I need you to use your data hat to take some readings for me.
Okay.
Find these 4 locations and use the hat to take a reading. The hat will deploy when you are at the right location. Come back here once you've taken all 4 readings. Okay. We have to go to the observatory, the bridge in the jungle. What is this? William, it's on fire! What'd you do? You put the whole building on fire! Oh no! Oh, phew. Water, much better. Look at all the clouds. Is it snowing? Whoa, it's snowing! That is so cool! What's going on now? What button did you push? Oh no! Where's the water? Where's the water? Turn on the water! Turn on the water! It's still on fire! Okay, phew. What's this one do? Ooh, it's raining! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, William. Uh-oh. William. William, it's flooding. It's flooding.
Oh my god. And that's going out here, Dee.
Oh, phew. I'm so glad it's not raining out here. Okay, so we have to pick up a data hat. Did you pick up a hat? Yeah, he gave us a hat. He gave us a hat.
We can't pick up the hat. We have to get dressed.
Yes, we do. You're right. And then we have to go to the city.
Okay, right up here, up there.
We have to go to the city. We got to go to the snowy mountain. We have to go to the observatory. And we have to go to
Mom,
the bridge in the jungle.
I found a dragon. Mom, you have to go up there. There's a dragon. Mom, it worked. Mom.
Whoa, it's working now? How did you get it to work? There's a present.
Mom,
Present.
here.
Oh, I got electrified hair, William.
Okay. Up here. Mom. You go here, Mom.
I don't think the button works.
Mom.
Oh, this is a problem. Oh, this is a problem.
Yeah, up right here. You go up there. Right? There's a hole right here. Right? And you down. See?
I'm stuck. Okay.
Down here, Mom.
Okay.
So yeah.
Ooh, we can get dressed right here.
Mom.
I gotta put my hat on.
You got to. Mom, you don't have to door, Mom. The door open.
Can I get back in? Does this say... Oh, fire exit. I thought it said free exit. Exit. What's up here?
Mom, I don't say right. Know what I say right?
Hey, William. William, come up here.
How you do that? No.
Hi.
Hi, Mom.
Hi. Let's go up here.
Okay, Mom.
Okay, phew.
Hey, Mom. Look.
Hi.
You tried it.
Do you want to fly or do you want to drive?
Right. That's a problem. Mom, there's a Cogan up there.
Ooh, there's something up there. Let's go.
Cogan, you can't go up there.
He says he's
And
been...
not stay up there.
He says he has to fix this. Okay.
And there's no clock right there, Mom. He can't fix it, Mom.
Yeah, I know. He can't fix it. He doesn't know what he's doing.
Right?
Okay. Okay, you have to drive. Can you follow me?
I can't.
Jump off the roof and go. You can use a car. It's okay. Ready? Let's go. Meow.
Okay.
Wrong way. Or we could go
Mommy?
that way. We could go that way, I guess.
Okay, we could go this way. We have to see the garden.
We have to go
Go to the jungle.
Well, we have to go to the city first. We're going to the city.
Yep.
Meow. Ooh, look, I have a net.
Hey, Mom! Look! You could cut this green thing. You do something with this drone.
Yeah, it's a drone. And we can, if you press a button, you can do different things with it. You're right.
It?
I don't see.
Okay.
Oh, hey, over here. Come over here. You see it?
Yeah.
Press 2.
What to? Okay, where to?
Whoa.
Yeah, it's broken. We have to beat it.
Okay, now we have to go to the observatory. Hey, William, do you know where the observatory is? I thought it was like up here, but I don't see it. Oh, is it right here?
We have to go in the jungle.
Oh, we have to go to the jungle first? Okay. Where are you going? Where's the jungle?
Then.
Okay, here we go. We're going to the jungle. Meow. Okay, you gotta come over by me, and then we have to press Q.
How you do that?
Okay, press 2.
What to?
Beep, beep. Okay, now we have to go to the observatory. Press E to go up.
E.
Okay, the observatory is straight this way.
Mom!
Oh, we have nets. Look at that.
Mom.
No, you can't catch me!
No, I don't this way. You can't get me. Mom! Stop! Stop, Mom. Okay. It's over here.
Okay,
What to?
now we have to go to the snowy mountain.
What to, Mom? See, Mom, I have to do go high. You didn't do that, Mom.
Right, I didn't think we had to go up this high, but this is pretty high. Ready? Come over here next to me. Okay, press 2. Good job.
Let's go to the record station.
Let's go to the weather station.
Mom! Can't do that, Corbin!
Okay. Wow, you actually came back. A lot of volunteers don't. We lost a lot of data hats that way. That's some amazing data you've collected. I'll input it into our simulation immediately. Try it out. Amazing. With all that data, we're nearly ready to test the weather machine. We just need one more reading. But this one may be a bit dangerous to get.
Mommy?
We need to take the reading inside of a storm. I know it sounds crazy, but we can't make the machine work without this data. Currently, there's a storm far out to sea. Oh my goodness.
Mommy, what's that, Mom?
Oh no, is there a storm out there? Go visit Anne at Perfect Parachutes in Paradise Island. She'll get you to the storm. Good luck. Oh my goodness. William,
Island.
this is like a tornado.
Yeah, I did that.
Oh, this is a crazy storm.
I did a Mom. Right there.
I know, it's a tornado.
But why is that right here?
Okay, we have to go to Anne at Paradise Island. Let's go.
Island. Okay, you were that cookie.
Okay, are we gonna drive? Okay, let's go this way. This car is not made for snow, William.
No, it is not. Oh, Mom!
You okay, William?
I'm gonna dare you do that. I think,
Where'd you go?
I think,
Hi.
Mom.
Do we need a different car?
Yeah, this one is not working.
Ooh,
This car, Mom.
Cool. Are you driving or am I driving?
You're driving.
Okay. Look for cars and go.
Now on the grass, Mom. You got growing jail.
I'll get thrown in jail if I drive on the grass. But what if I'm driving a police car?
You go on the grass, you have to go on the road. Not on the grass, you got growing jail.
So what if I'm driving a police car?
What?
If I'm driving a police car, is that okay?
Yeah, not on the grass. No police car on the grass. Not on the road. No car on the grass. Not on the road. The car go on the road.
Okay.
But that one driving and that one not driving. Oh yeah. Not over here, Mom. He don't have a dog. Oh, he has a dog. Mom, we don't this.
Hello.
He don't have a dog.
Yeah, come on, hurry, get out of the car. Welcome to Perfect
I'm not there.
Parachutes. We make falling fun. Oh, you're from the Wobbly Climate Club. They sure do love their weather. You want to parachute into the storm, out to sea? Are you sure? Rather you than me, but yeah, one of our pilots can get you there. Just let me know when you want to go.
Mom, look! Down here!
The storm.
Mom!
Are we together?
We go home! Oh, shit.
Listen up. Listen up. We're approaching the vent zone. Once we have the storm in our sight, the pilot will fly up over it. Then it's down to you to jump inside.
Mom.
A rescue crew is underwater, ready to recover you. Make sure you have that data hack thing of yours equipped.
Mom, there's a parachute!
And don't forget to take the reading once you're inside the storm. Any questions? No? Good. Now take the parachute off the wall and put it on.
We have to put it on.
Okay, we gotta go get a parachute.
It's over here. I did it over here.
Whoa, William, we're near. Oh, hold on, William. Ah! Hold on!
Hold on!
Ah! Hey, William, look at all the stuff up there.
Huh? Mom, look at this. There.
The pilot has spotted a storm growing to the left of the aircraft. Whoa, it's a tornado! I heard a cow. This is what we've been waiting for.
Mom.
Oh no! I see a cow! In a moment, we'll begin our ascent. Remember to wait for the green lights before you jump. There's the cow, he's up at the top!
You have to wait to turn green, Mom, okay?
Okay, which side are we supposed to go on?
There.
Hey, can I get in the car? No, it won't let me get in the car. Can I get in here? I want to go in there.
We have to do the gray and turn green over here, okay? We can't go over here. The door is locked. We can't.
Uh-oh, William.
No!
Don't jump yet, not yet. Oh, I gotta hold on. I can't hold on.
We can't go down. And not green yet. Ah! Mom, hold on.
Okay, I'm holding on. Ah, it's broken. Broken. Ah, okay, I'm holding on.
Hold on.
Whee! Are we there yet?
Yeah.
Get ready.
Ready, Mom?
He says get ready, get ready,
ready.
get ready. I heard a cow.
And not yet. Not yet.
Jump!
Okay. 9,
3.
3. I press this one. Okay.
Okay, now press 2.
Mom. Night. It's dark.
Where did you go?
I jumped in the water. I'm in the hot
I'm coming, William. I'm coming.
Hey.
Oh, you're finally awake. You were incredibly wet when you came in. There was seaweed everywhere, but I can't see any lasting damage. You're free to go. Just perhaps try something less dangerous next time.
Mom.
We did it, William. We did it. Yeah. Phew, I made it. Okay, let's see. Did you get a parachute?
Yeah.
Did it. This is exactly what we need.
Mom.
I'll just type the storm data into the system and ta-da! It's working. I didn't think it'd actually work. Look, William, I can choose one.
Yep. You could pick.
Okay, is it
One.
raining outside?
Not yet.
How about now? Whoa! How cool was that? Now we can change the weather anytime we want. Any weather you choose will last for a whole day, though there is a catch. This time I let you use it for free. But from now on, it'll cost $200 each time you use it.
Look, we got going away.
You don't have money. Running this equipment isn't cheap, you know. Thanks for helping us out, though. You're the best.
We can't go in the
William, I
ground.
have a parachute.
I can't go in the door, Mom. I could do sun.
You want to do sun? Let me do sun. I can buy the sun. There we go.
Okay. What do ow? Okay, Mom? What that?
Ooh, is it sunny outside now?
Right? What that?
Okay.
The cashew! It's right here!
Ooh.
Yeah. Again. Right? You have to break.
I think we have to be in the air.
Yeah.
I don't like these pants. I'm choosing different pants. Haha. Dun dun dun.
Mom.
Ready?
No, I don't want to cry or shower. I want to hide in the car. This car right here. This one. Hey, Mom.
What are you doing, sir? We're going up. Whoa, loud.
Mom,
Yes.
where we go?
I don't know.
Right?
We should go to Grandma's house.
Nope. We go to the green day.
What? What? Why are we going to the police station? Are you gonna arrest me?
No.
You're totally gonna arrest me, aren't you?
No. And then tell you. Mom, you talk to a Greek guy to had a dog. That one took it.
Someone took his hat? Oh no, we have to help him.
So yeah.
Whee!
Yeah!
Okay, jump off and press 3.
Mom,